Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Motorola device to Infinix Hot 11F. Firstly, open Play Store on both devices and install free app called Send Anywhere from this developer. When it's ready, open it. In order to use this app, you need to select I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Now select Send on Motorola and Receive on Infinix. Then you can choose all of your files that you wish to send by clicking on all of those dots and tapping on Send over here. It will take a long time to transfer all of mine now, so I will go with only one photo. Tap on Send and click on Got it in this pop-up. Now on Infinix, choose Yes I agree or No thanks and finally close this window. Now we have the ways to connect. If you want to scan this QR code, you can do that by selecting this scanning icon, choosing Allow and pointing your Infinix at the code. If you don't, just input this key over here. And finally choose Receive. As you can see, after a while, my picture was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!